Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe is going to pay you for doing transcription jobs. If you head over to their website, you're going to see that TranscribeMe is going to pay you over $15 for every 1 hour long video that you transcribe. Now, transcription of a 1 hour long video is very easy, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can transcribe videos easily, okay? And if you watch here, you're going to see that on a monthly basis, the least amount you can make as a freelancer on TranscribeMe is about $250, and you can even make up to $60 per hour. So without wasting your time, let's delve right into the video, guys. So what are the things you need to do to start making money from TranscribeMe.com? The first thing you need to do is to obviously create a TranscribeMe account. And to do that, all you have to do is head over to a website called investorblack.com/TranscribeMe. So if you open investorblack.com/TranscribeMe, it's going to take you to this page right here. Then you have to click on freelancing login. Okay, so I'm going to click on freelancer login. Then it's going to take me to the login page. Now, I don't have an account. Let's assume I don't have an account. What you need to do now is to click on this sign up button at the bottom. Once you click on sign up button, you're going to put in your first name, put in your last name, put in your country, put in your region, put in your email, put in your password. They're also going to ask you for your details, like the language that you want to transcribe to, the language you know. So if you know up to 3 or 4 languages, then you can pick those languages. I've already created an account, so I don't have to create one again. It's very simple. All you have to do is give them the information they require. Okay, so after you must have created your account, they're going to send you an email to verify your TranscribeMe account. All you have to do is to open the email, then click on this link at the bottom. Then it's going to verify your account. After verifying your account, they are going to send you another email telling you that you've been accepted into TranscribeMe. Okay, so the next thing you need to do after you must have gotten to verify your email is to actually click on sign in to your work hub. So I'm going to click on sign in to work hub right now. So basically, once you log in, this is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be seeing a page that looks like this. All you have to do is go to this place that says exams, and you're going to see the exams. Okay, so they have English depending on the language you chose. So if you click on this language selector at the top here, you're going to see the language I chose. So I chose English, Dutch, Spanish, and Portuguese. So I even chose Chinese. So those are the language that I want to translate to. And trust me, I don't know how to speak Chinese, but you're going to see how easy it is to transcribe to these languages. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to answer the question. So let's go back to our steps. So we've created our account, then we did the next thing, which is to take their entry exam, and that is what I just showed you right now. So if you go back to their work hub, you're going to see this exam right here. At this point in time, they've stopped accepting people temporarily because they are doing their maintenance. As you can see here, English exam is closed for maintenance. We do not have a set of reopen dates. Please check back in April. So currently they are not allowing people to take the exam because this website is getting a lot of traffic. If you go to similarweb.com right now, you're going to see that this website is getting a traffic of about 989.1k in February, 1.2 million in January, and 1.1 million. So this website is getting a whole lot of traffic every single month. Okay, so this means that this website is actually popular. If you scroll down a bit, you're going to see that the majority of people coming to this site are from the United States, from the Philippines, from Kenya, from India, from the United Kingdom as well. Okay, so this website is quite legit. Okay, so now that you've created your account and you've done your exam, don't worry if you don't know how to pass the exam. I'm also going to leave a video in the description that is going to show you how to actually pass their exam. Okay, so you don't have to worry yourself about failing the exam because you're going to watch some tutorials that's going to guide you on how to get past the exam part. Okay, and it is a good thing that they have an exam because if they make it open, the competition is going to be too high. So the exam is a good thing. So if you manage to pass the exam, then you can start making money from TranscribeMe. Okay, so the next thing you need to do after you must have taken the exam is to do transcription job and get paid. Okay, now this is the part that you will be asking, but I don't know how to do transcription transcription job. What is even transcription? Well, transcription is basically you converting a subtitle from one language to another, or actually writing a subtitle for a video. So someone might have a video in English and he wants you to create a subtitle for the video. So you are going to listen to the video and type what they are saying in the video. That is called transcribing. You can even go ahead to convert what you're typing to different languages. Okay, so some big YouTubers actually do this when they notice that there's a market in another country, but that country speaks another language. So if you want to reach out to those people, you have to convert the subtitles in your videos to their language so that you can reach a broader audience, right? So that's basically why it is something that is hot at the moment. A lot of YouTubers that make a lot of money are willing to pay you good money to do transcription jobs for them. So this job is here to stay. So now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to actually do transcription jobs using two methods. Okay, we have the free method and the paid method. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the free method, then I'm going to be showing you some website that will actually do this for you, but you are going to be paying a little fee. Okay, so starting from the free method, how do you do transcription using the free method? So I'm going to be showing you. So the first thing you need to do is to get the transcription file. So the file could be an audio file or a video file. Okay, so your client is going to actually give you a video or an audio. So once you've gotten the file, the next thing you need to do is to head over to YouTube and upload your file to YouTube. Okay, you have to upload the file to YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you how to upload the file to YouTube. I already have my file, so I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right now. By the way, I created this YouTube channel for the purpose of actually showing you how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right now and show you step by step how to go about it. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. So now, as you can see, I have 0 subscribers and whatnot. So I'm going to click on this button that says create at the top right corner. So once you click on create, click on upload videos, then click on select file, then locate the file that your client will give to you. Okay, so I already have my file, so I'm going to go to documents, I'm going to go to Camtasia, then I'm going to go to the very last one, transcription test. I'm going to click on open. So once you click on it, the file is going to start uploading. Okay, so I've uploaded the file. As you can see, it is processing, so we are going to give it some time to actually process. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished uploading, as you can see from the bottom right here. Okay, so after you must have uploaded it, the next thing you need to do is to click on this button that says show more. Okay, so once you click on show more, you need to click on no, it's not made for kids, then scroll down, then look for the place that says language, which is here, video language. Select the language of the audio that your client gives to you. So if the audio is in English, select English. If it's in French, select French. YouTube, Google has the best voice to speech, voice to text technology. Okay, and they're going to do a very perfect job in converting that text and that voice to text. So I'm going to be showing you in a bit. So I'm going to choose English because my audio file is in English. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose English. Okay, now that I've chosen English, the next thing you need to do is to actually click on the next button. So I'm going to click on next. It's going to take me to this page right here. I'm going to click on next as well. Okay, then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on unlisted. Okay, click on unlisted, then click on save. Okay, so once you've saved your file, click on close. I now have my new file here. Okay, so this is a transcription test investor black, transcription test investor black. So I'm going to click on this edit button. Okay, then I'm going to go to this place that it says subtitles. Okay, I'm going to check to see if it has a subtitle. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to click on auto sync. Okay, now once you click on auto sync, you have to actually close this. Okay, discard changes. I'm going to click on it again. As you can see, it now has text. Okay, it now has text. Now once you've done that, click on done. Once you click on done, the next thing you need to do is to go to this place that says subtitle at the bottom, as you can see here. So I'm going to click on subtitle, then it's going to take me to this page where I'm going to be seeing 2 subtitles. Okay, the first one is English language and the second one is English automatic. So I'm going to go back and show you the difference between English language and English automatic. So I'm going to open this video in a new tab, then I'm going to play my video and you're going to see the subtitle play along with the video. Okay, so I'm going to go to the video right now. Okay, so this is the video. So I'm going to play testing my voice. It's testing my transcription on YouTube. and as you can see, the subtitle is showing as well. So I'm gonna just pause that real quick. Then I'm gonna go to this place, that's this three dotted menu at the bottom. Once you click on the three dotted menu, click on show transcript. I just want to show you the difference between the two. So this one is English, and if you click on this menu and change it to English auto generated, you're gonna see that it is slightly different. Okay, so you can choose between the two. You can choose between English or English auto generated. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to show you. So let's go back to this place right here. So now that you've gone to this place that says subtitle at the bottom, you're gonna see your two subtitles right here. So what you need to do is click on the three dotted menu by the side. You can come to this one and click as well, so any version you want. So I'm gonna go with the automatic. Then I'm gonna click on the three dotted menu. Then I'm gonna click on download. Then you're gonna see vtt.srt.sbv. So I wanna choose .srt. Okay. So once you click .srt, your file is gonna download. Okay, as you can see, it has downloaded and it's saved as captions1.srt. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my Camtasia. Okay, in my Camtasia I already have the video, the one I uploaded to YouTube, and I just want to show you that the SRT file is legit. So I'm going to go to this place that says closed caption in Camtasia. Then I'm going to import the SRT file I just got from YouTube. Okay, and let's see if it's going to be shown.
This is me testing,
so as you can see,
voice,
it's showing the subtitle. Okay, you can also adjust it. You can also modify it a bit. But this is basically how to transcribe. It has done all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so I'm going to pause this screen. Then I'm going to go back to our steps. Okay, so after you must have uploaded the video, the next you need to do is to generate the subtitle, which we have done. After generating the subtitle, we need to copy the transcript, which we have done. Then we need to modify, so you can modify it in Camtasia as well, then submit. So this is it. So we've done that, we've done all that, and we now have our transcript. So that's it for the free method using YouTube. Okay fam, so after you must have gotten your SRT file from YouTube, you can actually translate it to any language of your choice. You can do that by visiting translatesubtitles.co. It's going to take you to this page right here. Then click on this place to actually choose. I'm going to go to desktop, then I'm going to click on captions 1, click on open, and it's going to upload to the website. As you can see, hello fam, blah 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 blah. So you can choose translate here, as you can see. So I'm going to click translate. So as you can see, subtitle translated. You can change the language. So I'm going to select let's say French from the top right corner. That's F. Okay, then I'm going to click translate. As you can see, it has translated to French. If you want to translate to another language, let's say for example Greek, you can translate to Greek as well. So once you click on translate, it's going to change, as you can see at the right hand side. So what do you do then? You click on download to download your new translation, right? To download your new translation. So if I open my SRT file, you're going to see that my translation is now in Greek. So that's basically how to do it. Okay, so that's it for the free YouTube method. Another method you can use is to actually get some paid tools that will do it automatically for you. So once you've gotten this, you submit your SRT file to your client, and your client is going to pay you. Like I said, they're going to be paying you anything from $15 to $22 for 1 hour long video that you transcribe. Okay, so if you transcribe a video that is up to 1 hour, you're going to be making $15. And trust me, all you have to do is just play a 1 hour video on YouTube, and YouTube is going to do the transcription for you. Then you can just follow the process I've shared with you and get the SRT file, submit it to your client, and it's going to pay you your $15. It's that simple. Okay, so after that, let's move on to the other methods. Okay, so another way you can actually do this transcription is through the paid method. Okay, how to do transcription easily using the paid method. Okay, so I'm going to be listing out some paid tools that I highly recommend you get if you've started making money from transcription and you want to scale up, you want to up your game. Okay, you want to level up. These are the tools that I highly recommend you go with. So the first one on our list is vid.io. Okay, you can get your vid.io by visiting investorblack.com/vid. Okay, vid.io is a very cool tool. If I head over to their website, you're going to see that they have a bunch of tools. apart from the transcription tools, they have a bunch of tools that you're gonna be using to make money. So you're gonna be killing multiple birds with one stone, okay? But for the transcription part, all you have to do is go to vid.io/tools, okay? vid.io/tools. Then you're gonna search for transcribe. So I'm gonna do Ctrl F. I'm gonna search for transcribe. Okay, then I'm going to search for transcribe. So we have this one, transcription. Okay, this is going to transcribe your video for you. So all you have to do is upload your file. So it could be an audio file or a video file. So transcribe audio and video text to text online, automatic transcription in just one click. Okay, so I'm going to click on choose file. Then I'm going to choose my video file, the one I used for YouTube. I'm going to upload it as well. So let's see if vid.io is going to actually do a good job transcribing the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go and look for my video, click on browse, then I'm gonna click on transcription test, click on open. Then the video is gonna load up. As you can see, the video has finished loading. Okay, so if you click on auto subtitle, it's gonna generate the subtitle for the video. You can choose the language you want. Okay, so this one will help you translate to any language at all, but I'm gonna leave it as English. Then click on create subtitle, and it's gonna give you some time to actually generate the subtitle for your video. So I'm gonna pause this video and come back when it's done. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished transcribing, although there are some things like farm. So if I change this, I can change this to farm, FAM. Okay, so I'm gonna just play it to see how it sounds. Hello. Wow, that's excellent. So as you can see, it has done all the job for you, and that is crazy. You can even go ahead to translate to any language of your choice. So you can translate to whatever language you want. You can also download the SRT file and send it to your client. Okay, so that's basically how to go about it. As you can see, these are their plans. Okay, like I said, this is a paid version as opposed to using YouTube. Okay, so the same thing applies to the other ones I'm going to be sharing. So we have the second one on our list, which is Speak AI. Okay, Speak AI, that's Speak.ai. You can get Speak.ai by visiting investorblack.com/Speak AI. Okay, so this is Speak AI. It works just like Vid. Okay, so if you go to their pricing, so I'm not going to be going into the software to show you how they work, or this video is going to be too long, but you get the idea. They will help you do the transcription and you don't have to do the hard work. Okay, so this one is going to be charging you $8 per month. The next one on our list, apart from Vid, Speak.ai, is Otter.ai. Okay, Otter.ai is going to be charging you almost the same thing with Speak.ai. So if you go to their pricing as well, they also have a free version as well. So if you go to their pricing, you're going to be seeing that they have a free version. They charge $8, almost the same thing as the other one. Okay, so after Otter.ai, the next one on our list is Nova.ai. Okay, so I'm going to leave the links in the description, the links to all these tools. These are my most recommended tools if you're into the transcription business. This is a very, very big business, and it allows you to make a lot of money without doing any hard job. Okay, so the next one on our list, apart from Nova.ai, is Descript. Now Descript is crazy. Like, apart from the fact that it can transcribe, it can also clone your voice. Okay, so personally I recommend you to go for this one, because this one is going to allow you to actually generate from a script. You can give it a script, copy a text. Maybe you go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT generates a script for you. You can use that script to actually make a video using your voice. Okay, now I'm not saying you're gonna do the voice over yourself. It's gonna use your voice, it's gonna clone your voice, and it's gonna be as if it's you talking while it's just AI reading from the text. Okay, so that's crazy. I'm gonna be making a video in future showing you how you can actually use Descript and ChatGPT to make a bunch of YouTube videos, to start a fully blown YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel. You're going to be making a lot of money. Okay, so that's Descript for you. The next one, which is Nova.ai. So this is Nova.ai. It also has a lot of tools. It can add text to videos, can do a lot of things. You can also download your SRT file. it can trim video, it can cut video. So these tools are very useful. Okay, so that's basically how to actually make money. So all you have to do is transcribe. Okay, just what I just showed you how to do. Oh, that's all you have to do. Get the SRT file and send it to them, and you're going to be making this amount right here. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.